I'm flying from New York JFK to London in premium economy with Virgin Atlantic. Check-in was fairly swift, after which it was a short walk to security and then on to gate 29 to wait to board the flight. The flight was on a one-year-old Airbus A350-1000 aircraft, registration G-VTEA, called Rosie Lee. I joined a queue of passengers queuing for priority boarding. Unfortunately, when time came to board, things became a free-for-all, with people barging forward. So rather than being one of the first to board in premium economy, I was one of the last. The premium cabin was large with 56 seats in a 242 configuration. I was in the bulkhead window seat 21K. Prosecco or water were offered before takeoff.
Hello there. We're delighted to welcome you on board Virgin Atlantic. Thank you for flying with us today. You're no doubt keen to lose yourself in our dazzling world of entertainment, but first we're going to show you a safety film, and we'd like you to give it your full attention.
The flight pushed back about 25 minutes behind schedule to taxi to runway 4 left. This was a daytime flight back to London, departing JFK just after 8 AM. It was a very quick flight time at just over 6 hours. So even with the late departure, we were scheduled to arrive 15 minutes ahead of schedule. The entertainment system had a fairly large touchscreen, but the headphones supplied weren't great. Breakfast was served shortly after takeoff. It consisted of a sausage, egg and cheese muffin and a bowl of oats. There were 2 washrooms for premium at the front of the cabin. Unusually for a day flight, an amenity kit was provided, although it was pretty basic. Wi-Fi was theoretically available during the flight, but I couldn't get my device to connect. The main meal was served about 2 hours before landing. There was a tomato, mozzarella and pesto salad to start. For main, there was a choice of chicken fajita, red Thai curry with salmon, or vegetarian shepherd's pie. To finish, there was a lemon cheesecake. A can of wine or other refreshments were available. The meal tasted pretty good, especially the large slice of cheesecake. For the last hour or so of the flight, the seatbelt sign was on for periods as we went through turbulence. We approached London from the west, turning to land on runway 27 right.